Ken-Betwa River Project. This is first of its kind in the interlinking of Indian rivers, and this has been approved by Indian government. This is brought to you by Step Up WBCS, your online premier institution for WBCS guidance by WBCS officers. Ken-Betwa River Project. This is the first of its kind in the interlinking of rivers in India. This has been recently approved by central government. Let's look at the details of the Ken-Betwa River Project. So this is the map of the Ken-Betwa River Project interlinking. This is the Ken-Betwa link, as you can see in the screen. This is the river Ken and this is the river Betwa. So these two rivers traverses both Madhya Pradesh. This is Madhya Pradesh and this is Uttar Pradesh, and they are tributaries of Yamuna. You can see Yamuna over here. So from this map you can get a very clear idea about the interlink. This Ken and Betwa River Project, this interlinking, this is actually passing through very drought areas of both Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. The Union Cabinet has recently approved the funding and implementation of Ken-Betwa interlinking of rivers project with a total cost of rupees 44,605 crore. The project has a deadline of 8 years. This is important. The project has a deadline of 8 years. So what is Ken-Betwa link project? Let's get into the details of this project. The Ken-Betwa link project is the first project under the National Perspective Plan for interlinking of rivers. So this is the first project in the National Perspective Plan for interlinking of rivers. Under this project, water from the Ken River will be transferred to the Betwa River. This is, keep this in mind, water from the Ken River will be actually transferred to Betwa River. Both these rivers originate in Madhya Pradesh. This is also very important. Both the rivers, both Ken and Betwa, they originate in Madhya Pradesh and not Uttar Pradesh, and are tributaries of river Yamuna, as I have already pointed out in the map. The Ken-Betwa link project lies in Bundelkhand. This is also very important. This link project lies in Bundelkhand, a drought-prone region, as I have stated earlier, which spreads across 13 districts. This is very important. 13 districts of both Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh, not exclusively any one state. 13 districts spans across Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. This is a drought-prone region, and this project lies in Bundelkhand. So the project will take 8 years to set up, as I have stated earlier, including building the Dodhan Dam. This is important. This, you need to keep this in mind. This is Dodhan Dam on the Ken River. It is on the Ken River in Madhya Pradesh's Chhatarpur district. Chhatarpur district, keep this in mind. This is Chhatarpur district inside the Panna Tiger Reserve. This is very, very important. Mark this. This is Panna Tiger Reserve. There will be a dam called Dodhan Dam, which will be on the Ken River, and it is on the Chhatarpur district of Madhya Pradesh, and it lies in Panna Tiger Reserve. So Panna Tiger Reserve lies in Madhya Pradesh and Panna Tiger Reserve lies in the Chhatarpur district, and Dodhan Dam also lies in the Chhatarpur district of, and it will span across Panna Tiger Reserve. So these are all interlinked infos which you need to keep in mind. This is Ken River. This is not in Betwa. MCQ will be coming on Dodhan Dam is constructed on the Betwa River, but no, it is constructed on the Ken River, and it lies in the Chhatarpur district of Madhya Pradesh, which passes through Panna Tiger Reserve. The project will take 8 years to set up, as I have stated. This I have already stated. Ken-Betwa Link Project Authority, KBLPA, special purpose vehicle called Ken-Betwa Link Project Authority, KBLPA, will be set up to implement the project. Just remember the special purpose vehicle, this KBLPA, this Ken-Betwa Link Project Authority. But that's it from this whole thing. This is only the takeaway point. So let's get into the details of Ken River. As you can see from the picture, this is the Ken River. This is the Panna Forest, Panna Tiger Reserve. This you can see a very picturesque location. This is Ken River. This is Ken River, the yellow highlighted one. See, I am pointing out. This is the Ken River. This is Madhya Pradesh. This is Uttar Pradesh. The river Ken flows through two states, namely Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. You have already got this point. Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. It is one of the major rivers of Bundelkhand region. It is one of the major rivers of Bundelkhand region. The link project also lies in Bundelkhand region of central India and is a tributary of river Yamuna. This has already been stated. River Ken originates near a village. Now we are getting into specific information. Ahir Gawa, a village called Ahir Gawa, which is on the northwest slopes of Kaimur range. This is very, very important in as far as WBCS and UPSC is concerned. This is on the northwest slopes of Kaimur region in the Jabalpur district. So the origin is in the Jabalpur district and it is on the Ahir Gawa village, which lies in the Kaimur range. If you can remember, just remember the northwest slopes, but that is not that important. The river travels a distance of 427 km. This is also not that important. Before it merges with the Yamuna at Chilla village. This is a secondary point. If you can remember very well, near Fatehpur in Uttar Pradesh, you can remember this one. They actually merge, this Ken river merges with the Yamuna at Chilla village. It is near Fatehpur in Uttar Pradesh. So now let's get into the other details. River Ken has many tributaries, namely the Sona river. Sona river is the largest tributary, so this you need to remember this. The Sona river is the largest tributary. Rivers like Bawas, Devar, Bank, Kate on its left bank, while the tributaries on the right include Biarma and Kopra. The Ken Valley also separates the Rewa Plateau from the Satna Plateau. This is very, very important. The Ken Valley separates the Rewa Plateau from the Satna Plateau. So the Ken Valley actually separates the Rewa Plateau from the Satna Plateau. And the major tributary is, the largest tributary is the Sona river. This is as far as this Ken river is concerned. Don't confuse it with the Betwa one. Okay. So now, so for better idea, we are getting into this Betwa river. You can see ancient temples and forts over there here in Betwa. Okay, so this is, you can see this MP tourism. So it lies in the Madhya Pradesh. So this is Betwa. I am pointing it out over here. This is Betwa. See, it rises near Bhopal and it actually traverses in the northeast direction and merges with the river Yamuna. So the river Betwa river is a southern tributary of river Yamuna, which flows between the states of Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. You already got this point. It originates near Barkhera village, southwest of capital city Bhopal. As you have already seen in the map, it is in Raisen district of Madhya Pradesh. Both the rivers originate in Madhya Pradesh. So this is in Raisen district. It originates near Barkhera village, which is close to the capital of South. It is in the southwest of capital city of Bhopal. The source of the river is located at an elevation of 576 meter above sea level in the Vindhya mountain range. So Betwa river originates in the Vindhya mountain range and it is in Barkhera village. It is in Raisen district of Madhya Pradesh and it is a southern tributary of river Yamuna, as you have already seen in the map. Phases of the project, this is not that important, but as an added information you can get this down. The Ken Betwa link project has two phases. In the phase 1, this Dodhan dam complex will be constructed and that's it. In the phase 2, 3 components, Lower Ore Dam, Bina complex project and Kotha barrage, they will be constructed. So this Dodhan is important. This is a takeaway and there will be a powerhouse related to that. And in the phase 2, this Lower Ore Dam, Bina complex project, I don't know what is that. Kotha barrage will be constructed. So these two are important, Kotha barrage and Lower Ore Dam will be constructed. So thank you very much for listening to this a new concept, this interlinking of river. This is very important as far as WBCS and UPSC is concerned. So stay tuned for more such information loaded videos, which will not only add to your preparation but also speed up your preparation. Thank you.